Alright, we're going to try this crock pot recipe. I got a 4-pound pork tenderloin. I'm going to cut in half. We need cornstarch, garlic, soy sauce, brown sugar, sage, salt and pepper, and balsamic vinegar. So that's all of our ingredients, and water. Not going to put water out. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we got a tablespoon of sage, a half a tablespoon, or no, sorry, teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of sage, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a heaping teaspoon of garlic. I'll mix that all together. So I put half a cup of water in the crock pot, put the 2 pounds of pork tenderloin in the crock pot, and spread the mixture of seasonings and garlic onto the pork tenderloin. Okay, so we're going to cook this for 6 to 8 hours on low in the crock pot. And with the last hour, I'll make up a glaze of those remaining ingredients and baste the pork tenderloin in the crock pot 3 or 4 times during the last hour of cooking. Okay, in a saucepan I put in half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Now I'm heating it over a medium flame until it thickens. This is to make a glaze to put on top of the pork. Also half a cup of water. So we boiled this for about 5 minutes until it started to thicken up. That seems to be thick enough. It's thinner than gravy, but it's thicker than water. So we're down to the last hour of the crock pot cooking, so we're going to start adding the glaze. There's the meat in the crock pot. There's the glaze. The meat's still going to cook for another hour, but we're going to add the glaze to it about 2 or 3 or 4 times over the next hour. So there's the first time of adding glaze. We'll wait about 15 or 20 minutes and add some more glaze. Okay, we've already put 2 glazings on. I'm going to put the 3rd and final glazing on right now. Just going to put what's left in the pan. And pour it right on. So the meat's been cooking for about 7.5 hours now, and I'll just let it continue to cook while I make the side dishes, which tonight is going to be asparagus and pastaroni. Alright, there's the meat out of the crock pot. On the plate, ready to be served. It's balsamic vinegar glazed pork tenderloin. Looks good, smells good. And there's the finished product. All plated up, ready to eat. Got the pork tenderloin, some asparagus, and some pastaroni.